What up, people? This is Bunjo, and today I'm cooking Čevapi Tacos. Cha cha cha, kurva. You know, a little Croatian Mexican mix-up today. First off, you got your Čevapis. Now these are Banja Lučki ones from Kaufland. These are the best ones around. They're better than all the butchers and everything. Bosnians, little known fact, Croatians are gonna hate this. Bosnians have the best Čevapis, and the area of Slavonia, up north in Croatia. Best meats in Slavonia, hands down. But the Čevapis, Bosnians know how to do it. So what we did here was pour some olive oil all over the Čevapis. Now we're gonna ignite the flames, baby. And cover that baby and watch that cook up. Cook a few. Got my tortillas, got my onions, got my kiselo vernier, and I got my ajvar to dab on. And that's all we're gonna use. It's a simple little treat here, and it's perfect. You can wrap them up to go, and you don't need that thick, heavy lepinja bread. This is all you need. And with this ingredients, oh my God, I'm telling you, muy bien. Muy bueno, muy bueno. And let's get back when these are cooked up. Actually, you know what, for now, I'm gonna grab the big dagger and sharpen that baby. Beauty. Now let's cut this little baby onion up. I was gonna use some zucchinis. Usually I put zucchinis in here, but I forgot to buy them at the grocery store today. I love zucchinis. Zucchinis, eggplants, if you know what I mean. And yeah, that's my favorite, eggplant zucchinis, man. I got I'll just cut this up. You don't need too much because we're not gonna cook these onions. But I mean, you can cook them, but we're just gonna dice them up nicely and place them inside nice and raw. So all the flavors still there, like la da 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 da. And let's wait till these babies cook, and I'll get back to you guys. Right here, this is what they look like, almost done. They look like little rabbit droplings, don't they? Yeah, make sure they're layered in some olive oil, some nutritious olive oil. Oh yeah, make sure it's good. And they're almost done, let's do it. I'm Marko Berkovic of the kitchen, bitch. With my Thompson hoe. This is what they look like all cooked up. They're nice and golden brown and done, perfectly cooked in a pan. Me personally, I like them in a barbecue, but I like film. This is for the film, right? So I'm just gonna cook the rest of the package, and then build my taco from there when I'm done. And I hope you guys like that. That's a little Thompson thing I did. He's a huge Croatian singer here. He's a war hero singer. Woo!
Yo, Bunjo, how you build your taco, bro? I'm fiending. I need a taco.
Good question. I'm about to make your taco now. Let me grab a taco shell, or as we call it, a tortilla. Let me grab a taco shell, or as we call it, a tortilla. Put it on a plate. Let me see you date. I'll put the tortilla right there, my friend. Now, what we're gonna do is, I'll grab a taco, grab some Čevapis, however many you want. Now we're gonna slice, 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 slice. Slice, 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 slice. This is the sliced taco. This is your tortilla. We're gonna empty it on there. Grab a few onions. Don't cry, it's just onions. A nice a nice dollop of queso verde, aka sour cream, baby. And the almighty Ivar. And voila, you got your taco, man. You got your taco, man, in Croatia. My name is Ivan Marcelo Ivanic. This is your taco, and I'm gonna just wrap it. I'm not gonna cook the shell because your boy don't like cooked shells, you dig? Now, here it is. This is all or nothing. Usually, the Croatians eat this with a lepinja, but I don't really like that bread because it's too much bread, and I already got these winter titties, and I got this belly because I eat too much. Man. All those flavors just dancing inside that tortilla. Look at that. It's perfect together. Not too many toppings, just the perfect amount. It the flavors just work so good together. The onion complements the red pepper sauce, which is Ivar, and the sour cream just makes it all kind of nice, you know? Plus the meat, the texture of the meat with the nice soft tortilla, way better than lepinja. Oh man. Čevapi Tacos, man. I tell you, if you don't know, now you know, baby. Damn. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This is Bunjo. I'm going to chow down and mow down. And I'll see you next time in Hitler's Bakery. I'm joking. And Bunjo's Kitchen. This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905